Greetings and salutations. It's me, April Mayhem, your favorite Florida lady, and I'm here to show you my latest junk journal. I made another gothy one. So this one was, again, for a friend. We have a nickname for each other, and that's Bird. We call each other Birds. And my friend is pretty gothy like me. We're retired gothies. So this journal is Gothic Birds. So of course I put a crow on the front. What's more gothic and birdy than that? And then it says nevermore right here. This is the journal that I was discussing last time, that it has that kind of leather look, and this time I used black. I used the matte Mod Podge finish on this, and I absolutely love it. I think it came out so good. It looks uber goth. And this one has quite a lot of little beads. It has a crystal key, some feathers, 2 feathers, you know, birds of a feather. I really like how that came out there. And I have tied it together just with some like elasticy kind of a lace jobber. I have to apologize as well if we get interrupted by cats or children. This is really real life, and so that stuff happens on the regular. So yeah, I just had it kind of tied up with this funky little gothy mess going on here. I made kind of a, make sure that's in frame. I made kind of a gothy little library index card here, and it just goes in there. Hopefully it comes out. That's funny. I really like how that came out. That's really cute. And this is page 1. These playing cards have birds on them, so that was apropos. And you know, I did more than just crows. There's actually even cute baby birds and stuff, because you know, a bird's a bird. Can you hear my son in there howling at the old gods? Yeah. So there's a vulture and a feather, some little birds on a twig. It says find joy in the ordinary. My friend's name happens to be Joy. Birds. This is more that gothic paper that I used. I think I used it in the last Gothic journal, and then the Vampirina journal as well. And it's pretty. And then if you look, you see spiders and bats and cobwebs, and haha, it's cute. The tower. It says don't forget to fly, and it has a butterfly, and that's actually a picture of me in high school, my high school senior photo. Spencer's. Maleficent, of course. And this, you know, as you can see, this sheet thick. But I couldn't help myself. I just kept finding more and more cool things to add. see, there's a pretty birdie. Some little journaling opportunities there. Okay, so this I made, if you pull it, pulls the birds through the center window. Pull it this way, pulls them back. Haha, that's adorable. Okay. There's the guy from the labyrinth that has a bird on his head. Little envelope. There's some random stickers in here. Most of them are crows. It's like a crow skeleton. Okay, here's another cool thing I made. The labyrinth and an owl. And if you pull this up, dance, magic dance. And then you gotta carefully slide him back into place, just like so. There's just a random slide there. It has like purpley, pinkish, gothy looking flowers on it. So remember these guys? Heckle and Jekyll. Can't rain all the time. Just okay, so let me show you this. I need this little card. Oh yeah, and these paper clips are birds. Ta-da! Can you see it? Yeah, okay. Alrighty, let's see. We have Creeping It Real. Birds. This is just a little napkin. This says wings, and this says roots. I like how this one came out too. It's just a bunch of wings, and then there's a feather in there. Little button. Okay. Let me make sure. Okay. I just have to keep making sure it's still recording. I don't know how much room I have on my phone these days. Don't do that. This is Monster High washi tape. Cute. Boo. So this is my Beetlejuice section, and this is actually a little booklet. Oh yeah, babe. Bird. Boo. This is a picture of me and my friend. Not from way, way back in the day, but from a while ago. And this is the lyrics to her favorite gothy song. DOA. This is just a blank card. I liked that sticker. Let me get this out of the way. Wish I could play music when I'm doing this, but I'll get copyrighted. It's happened. Birds of a feather celebrate together. Is that a cat or a child? It's a cat. The birds. Okay. Birds of a feather. More just cute birds. This one came out really cool. It's a little pocket. Bird egg. I just put that in there so she can see that it's a place for a picture. An owl. Ooh. This is fun. And this giant devil tarot card, and I put flames right there, and he's going howdy. And then this is a vulture, obviously, and it says leave a little sparkle wherever you go, because you know that's what I pictured that vultures do. Chickens. I get them mixed up. Uh-oh, don't read that if you're a kid. This bird's hiding in there, in the crevasse. This is an envelope. Little bird cage. There's no birds in it though, because we don't like to be caged. Spider. Another little envelope I made with the bird on it. Pretty cute. Oh yeah, there's a tweet. I'm such a joker. this. I drew that. Okay, I like it. Sarah. Little nest. See, there's these little birds throughout the whole book. And don't read that if you're a kid. These are the Dolly Dingle paper dolls, and this is the Halloween set. Counting crows. If you didn't know what that meant. Quiet down over there, cat. I swear we're almost done. Hang in there. If you like this junk journal, I can make more. Just let me know. The next one I'm doing, I think I'm going to do for myself. Because I had another amazing idea. And I don't know anyone else that would really like it but me. But I have to utilize the whole book because I want to be able to still read the whole book. So I have to take it apart without destroying it completely. Kind of like my little golden books, but you know, with like a grown-up book. My friend is super crafty too, so I liked that. We're almost there. Another owl. Some random writing. Well, friends, the end. What do you think? Do you love it? Because I love it. See how it's like major gator mouth. But that's okay. I really think this is a work of art. And again, it's another one that, although I'm super happy to give this to my friend, I do wish I could keep it or have like an exact copy. But I will never have an exact copy. This is one of a kind. Alrighty. Look, we didn't get interrupted. Ha! Alright. So until next time, maybe it'll probably take me a while to do this next one. So it might be a while, guys. Anyway, get a hold of me if you want a junk journal. I think they're really fun and really cool, and I have such a great time filling mine up. This is the one I'm using right now, the Raggedy Ann one. And I really have a great time filling this up. I've put some really random silly things in here, and it brings me so much joy. This is like childhood memories, like my inner child. And it brings me so much joy when I find something that normally I would have been like, oh, that reminds me of my childhood, and then I would just move on. Well, now I can put it in here, and then I can remember for a really long time, even, you know, when I get older and forget, which is already happening. Okay, anyway, I digress. I guess I will see you guys next time with a new junk journal reveal. Bye!